To integrate Afterpay with Shopify, you need to start by creating an Afterpay merchant account. Go to the Afterpay website and sign up for an account, providing the required business and banking information. Once your account is approved, you will receive an email with your merchant ID and API key. Next, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for the Afterpay app and click the Add App button to install it. You will be redirected to the app configuration page where you need to enter your Afterpay merchant ID and API key. After entering the required information, click the Save Changes button to connect your Afterpay account to Shopify. The app will then sync your store's products and customer information with Afterpay. Now, configure the Afterpay payment method in your Shopify store. Go to the Payment Providers section in your Shopify admin panel and select Afterpay as the payment method. You can customize the payment method name and description to suit your store's branding. Afterpay offers a range of customizable payment plans, including fixed installment plans and flexible payment schedules. You can configure these plans in the Afterpay app settings to suit your business needs. To test the Afterpay integration, create a test order in your Shopify store and select Afterpay as the payment method. The Afterpay payment gateway should redirect you to the Afterpay website where you can complete the payment. Finally, ensure you comply with Afterpay's terms and conditions, including displaying the Afterpay logo and payment plans clearly on your store's product pages and at checkout. This will help build trust with your customers and increase conversions. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with your Shopify store, providing your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option. This can help increase sales, reduce cart abandonment rates, and improve customer satisfaction.